Welcome to my channel. Did you know that eating more tropical fruits can give you amazing skin? It's true. Some tropical fruits contain more than twice the amount of vitamin C than oranges, which is one of the highest amounts in the world. And you can use these fruits to make your skin look younger, brighter, and healthier. In today's video, we will reveal the top 3 tropical foods that will make you glow from the inside out. So let's get started. Many of us struggle with dry, dull, or aging skin. But what if I told you that the secret to achieving radiant skin could be as simple as eating more tropical foods? That's right. Incorporating more tropical fruits and foods into your diet can work wonders for your skin, leaving it looking brighter, smoother, and more youthful. But why are tropical foods so beneficial for the skin? Well, it's because they contain unique nutrients and compounds that, when consumed regularly, can improve the overall health and appearance of your skin. One of the best things about tropical fruits is that they are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and environmental stressors. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause damage to the skin cells and lead to premature aging and other skin problems. The high levels of antioxidants in tropical fruits such as mangoes, papayas, and coconuts can help neutralize these free radicals and reduce their negative effects on the skin. In addition to their antioxidant properties, tropical fruits also contain essential nutrients like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and alpha-hydroxy acids, which can help brighten and even out the skin tone, fade hyperpigmentation, and promote a smooth, supple complexion. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect the skin from sun damage and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Beta-carotene is a pigment that gives fruits and vegetables their vibrant colors and has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe irritated skin. Alpha-hydroxy acids are gentle exfoliating acids that can help remove dead skin cells and reveal brighter, smoother skin. Now let's take a closer look at some of the best tropical foods for glowing skin. Mango, the juicy, sweet, and fibrous flesh of this fruit is a great source of vitamin C, beta-carotene, and alpha-hydroxy acids. These nutrients can help to brighten the skin, fade hyperpigmentation, and promote a smooth, supple complexion. Papaya. This fruit contains a powerful enzyme called papain. Papaya is a protease, which means it can help break down dead skin cells and promote a brighter, smoother complexion. Papaya also contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that can help protect the skin from sun damage and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Coconut. This tropical fruit is a great source of healthy fats, which can help nourish and hydrate the skin. It also contains vitamin C and alpha-hydroxy acids, which can help brighten and even out the skin tone. The best part about incorporating these tropical fruits into your diet is that they are not only good for your skin, but also delicious and refreshing. They can be enjoyed in a variety of ways, such as fresh, blended into smoothies, or even used in homemade face masks. I remember a time when I was struggling with dull, lifeless skin no matter what I did. I tried everything from expensive skincare products to harsh chemicals, but nothing seemed to work. Then I decided to change my diet, and that's when I discovered the power of tropical fruits. I started eating more mango, papaya, and coconut, and I noticed a huge difference in my skin. It became brighter, smoother, and more youthful. I realized that the key to beautiful skin was not just about what I was putting on my body, but also what I was putting in it. If you want to achieve amazing skin, I highly recommend incorporating more tropical fruits and foods into your diet. You may be surprised at the incredible results you can achieve. In a recent study, published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology, researchers found that a diet rich in tropical fruits and vegetables significantly improved the skin's appearance and reduced signs of aging. The participants who consumed a diet consisting of 80% tropical fruits and vegetables such as mango, papaya, and coconut experienced a 20% reduction in fine lines and wrinkles, as well as an improvement in skin, elasticity, and hydration. These findings are consistent with previous studies that have shown the benefits of tropical fruits on the skin. For example, a study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that mangiferin, a compound found in mangoes, can help protect the skin from oxidative damage and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. In conclusion, if you want to achieve amazing skin, you should consider eating more tropical foods. These foods are not only delicious and refreshing, but also packed with unique nutrients and compounds that can work wonders for your skin. So next time you're looking for a healthy snack or a delicious meal, reach for a tropical fruit or food. Your skin will thank you for it. What are your favorite tropical foods? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our other health and longevity videos on our channel. Thank you for watching, and stay healthy, my friends.